Cal, Ken Fraser lived in that boathouse that Val is now living in. I told Finley that then. He seemed pretty surprised.
You didn't know that, okay?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, this must be.
Yeah, I would say.
This is probably Steve. We're here. This is so exciting.
There's the boys. What's going on? You made her back to Canada. How are you boys doing?
Good.
Good.
This guy's
Getting bigger and taller every time.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna talk to this guy. He got a tuna yesterday. I want to talk to him before he leaves.
Oh yeah, Ernie.
Gotta get permission. That'd be nice now. Pull that in.
Oh yeah.
It's powered batteries.
What? Oh yeah. Oh, that's sick.
You know what I mean? Yeah, you gotta have something.
It's crazy, Kelly. I think this thing fills with like 4,000.
So I just said to him, I said, you mind if I bother you for a few minutes? I looked all. I must have talked to him there for about 35-40 minutes.
Good guy.
And then I could relate to him because when he came down here first, when he started to be noticed in junior hockey, he was with the Quebec Ramparts.
Okay.
And they won the Memorial Cup that time.
Okay, wow.
So I got rhyming off their players and our players too.
Okay, now I'm like, I don't know what to say. So we're trying to catch mackerel now. We're gonna try to get the tuna. Can you hear me? All right, so we're trying to catch the mackerel here for the tuna, but we don't know. We don't know where they are, so we gotta get the mackerel before we can catch the tuna.
I do an alright job. I just spend it on money. You don't have anything to show for it. Spend it on gas, restaurants.
No, it's fine. Well, the gannets have figured out to come over here. This is. Finding the mackerel is maybe the most important part of tuna fishing. The commercial guys always usually have them, and that's where we found him. Here we go, Cal. Oh, those are good.
Usually when there's commercial guys going.
Yeah, those are. There's like one good one there. Cal.
Oh, no wonder. Look at this, Ernie.
Whoa, that's a monster. That's a freaking huge mackerel.
Snag him going by. Choke the tuna.
Dad, that thing was like, that thing almost blew up your rod.
Yeah, I was like, is this going to break the line?
The birds diving are gannets. They're not seagulls. They're a completely oceanic bird that dive for mackerel and can sometimes be a real pest. But they are amazing. Oh my god, this is like freaking...
Yeah, you're going to get the underwater.
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing.
That's all right.
Alright, we're going underwater. Cal, grab the underwater. Oh my god, this is insane. This is insane.
Are you on? This is on the 120, right?
Oh, Cal, get it in there. I needed a third extension.
Run it.
Gotta grab the third extension here.
Maybe a push up.
Oh my god.
Oh, he got it. He got it.
Why did I take that?